Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the essentials and acting now, confirm your eligibility and required certifications, and get your ID and paperwork ready. Once done, assemble safety gear, boots, vest, gloves, so you meet site rules immediately. Make sure to arrive 15 to 30 minutes early. That extra time lets you check in, review assignments, and ask a quick question about hazards. You do this to avoid delays and to position yourself as reliable, which matters for getting assigned as the Dockhand's assistant. Once you're on site, focus on the core practical steps that show competence. Learn and follow loading and unloading protocols. Study hand signals, proper rope handling, and the documented safe weight limits. Practice calmly. Next, support the Dockhand by anticipating needs, fetch straps and chocks, confirm cargo numbers, and sign where required. You should keep communication crisp. Perform radio checks, repeat critical instructions aloud, and report any slip, spill, or hazard immediately so the operation stays safe and efficient. To finish, close the loop. Complete all paperwork, log your hours and cargo counts, and sign release forms only after a final check. Then perform a safety sweep, secure cargo, stow tools, and clear aisles so nothing shifts later. If something goes wrong, escalate quickly to the supervisor, document the issue with time and photos when possible, and isolate the hazard to prevent injury. Doing these steps consistently is how you earn trust and secure repeat assignments as the Dockhand's assistant.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.